Hey folks, this is the third video in dealing with logarithms, and this is also the final video. This is some more properties of logarithms that you're going to have, and just a comment about these particular three properties. We're going to use these when I need to expand or condense my logarithm, and we're going to do that not only in this section but in future sections as well. So the first rule is going to be the product rule. Notice here that I have the log of a product, the log of a product. So when you have the log of a product, you can see here in my little statement, the log of a product is going to become the sum of two logs. And you'll notice here that I've taken this guy and I've broken it into a sum. And so this is the sum of the two separate logs. The rule number two, the quotient rule, this is going to be very similar. Notice that I have the log of a quotient. And so here we've got the log of a quotient is going to end up being the difference. We know that difference means to subtract, the difference of two logs. The third rule is the power rule. And the power rule says when you have the log of x raised to a power, you can take your power out front and multiply it. And so what you have here is that you've got the power y is now going to be multiplied by the log base a of x. I've given you a table, and what I like about this table is that it shows similar rules, the exponential rules and the logarithm rules side by side, whether it be multiplying, division, or exponential. And the last two are ones that we use a little bit. That zero property is definitely one that you've seen. Inverse property, you saw this in the exponential. You haven't seen it though so much in the logarithm side.